Oh shit. My knife's in the bathroom. Hold on. Got the classic fishy knife. I call it a fishy knife, but there's definitely just ducks on it. Yeah. Ooh. I'm glad they haven't invented like 60 cameras where you can like smell and like feel me, because I just got back from the gym after work. Oh, we got some goodies. Alright, so in that first skinny box, we have my door handle covers. Got the driver's side. I think the rest is the same. They feel very sturdy. About to turn my door handles black. Oh, these look so good. Oh, they give me more. Got my bullhorn mirror caps, so make my mirror caps go from white to black, but also be bullhorn. This is the passenger side. This is the driver's side. Wait. This is the driver's side. This is the passenger side. All right, so the next time you see me, I'm gonna be putting these bad boys on and these bad boys on. I'm gonna put them on at work. What could go wrong? So I got tired of waiting on an opportune time to do this at the studio. So I'm gonna do it outside of Southeast Questions, because why not? We're bored. I might drink this energy drink. Sponsorship Celsius, just kidding, I'm not sponsored. We're gonna clean the door handles. I'm gonna pop these on. Let's see if it even says what side is what. It says left. This says Chinese letters. So here you go. Here's it without it. So I'm gonna take my handy dandy all-purpose cleaner Windex. So I literally just ran out of storage, but I'm gonna talk real quick. Basically, I cleaned this off, and now the towel's all dirty. But now we're gonna peel off the tape and stick it on. Let's make sure it stays recording this time. All right, you're supposed to like apply heat or have it be hot outside. It's definitely hot outside. I feel kind of weird, like I'm at work outside of a costume shop. But my boss hasn't texted me and she said be on standby. So what do? I was like, I'm gonna go take a nap. No, what do? Car shit. The tape is off. Now we're just going to line it up and push it on. And here's it with it. Your mother. Your mother. You know what this cat just pointed out to me? That I forgot to record putting these on. You know why? Because it started pouring rain. So I was like, screw it, gotta get them on. So I got them on. They're on. They look good. It was very nice. Very nice. Very nice. But yeah, so they're on. They withstood the test of JJ driving home. Piece by piece, this car's getting there. Getting to where I want it. Look at that. But it'll get there. It's already looking a little different. Ain't no way you're gonna tell me it doesn't look nice. Black door handles, bullhorn mirror cap with the little mean eyelid. This car's gonna be beautiful. It's like, focus on my hand. If you or a family member that you know owns a Gen 8 Camry, leave it down in the comments. Let's link up. Leave it down in the comments. Gen 8 Camrys. Let's make a gang. Come on. So I'm like 99% stupid, 85% kind of smart. I knew this was coming in, but I had an idea for it. So I was gonna make it a separate video. But depending on what is on this, like decal wise, it may go in. Well, you're just gonna see it when you see it. Got my handy dandy fishy knife that's not a fish. I also got a letter in the mail.
probably from my secret admirer. Alright, you guys know I've talked about this brand before. It's gonna be backwards, but CKE. They have an entire section dedicated to 8th gen Camrys, 11th gen Honda Civics. You can find them on Amazon. I will link them down in the description, as well as this specific part. I have gum in my mouth. Okay, that looks nice. Let's hope the tape is already on. There is some tape on there. I want. It's gonna get dirty anyway. Yeah. That looks beautiful. So my idea is the reflection. This section right here, I'm gonna get a custom decal that says FJB, because every time I get gas, I'm like, bro, FJB. If you know, you know. Let's go get it put on. So you know we always got started off the same with the, oh, hold on, it's off. With the, and then, oh shit, somebody's watching me. I can clean off the area. Might as well get the area around it. I feel like my neighbor's probably gonna be standing there in a little bit watching me. See, I don't know if you can see it better. Probably not, because there's still the reflection. But this thing right here, that's where I want to put the decal. My other neighbor is watching me. Great. You know the drill. We peel off, ooh, the 3M tape. I'm trying to get it up so I can peel it. I need Viagra for these things. Like pills for the tape, so it doesn't struggle getting up. Shoot, they need a Viagra like waking up pill. Doesn't get you hard, it just gets you up. And keeps you up for like 4 or 5 hours. Tape off. And then we put it on the car. Aside from my fingerprints, a little bit of dust. That looks pretty sick. Oh, my shoe came off. I think he's coming along. One little test. Let's make sure it opens properly. And it does. In fact, successfully does. Gross. So now we gotta put the final touch of this video in. The Kid by @FreshAsTheKid air freshener. But it already makes my car smell good, like, and it was just on the roof of my car. He did say something about how I shouldn't necessarily drive with the windows down all the time. And I don't know about you guys, but I drive with the windows down all the time. So I've never had an air freshener, so I presume you just actually don't know how to do this properly. I'm struggling. Okay. So I think what, we go this way. Boom. Fresh. The Kid. Boom. Go sub to him. I mean, follow him. Fuck.